This is an Apple Pencil from a company called Baseus, and it costs only £30. Yes, you heard me right. So here we have the box. This is how it comes packaged. It looks pretty nice and sleek. You can get an upgraded gold tip as well. So we've got LDS anti-interruption gold plated tips. You've got 17 hours extended battery life, integrated dust and plug design. Good picture of the actual pen on the box as well. And then we've got the actual branding and the model number. So this is the Baseus Smooth Writing 3 wired charging stylus active wireless versions. We get introduced to the user manual, of course. Now there's not much to it really. It is quite an easy quick start guide, but it's nice that it comes included just for anyone who is confused on how to set it up. Here we get the actual pen itself. We'll take that out and move that to the side, and we'll peel this sticker off. We get a spare tip and a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. That's pretty much it with the box. Let's go ahead and let's straight have a look at the product and get a closer look and feel of it as well. So here is a closer look of the actual pen itself, and behind me we have a iPad 11th generation, which came out a few months ago, and this is compatible with that, and it's actually compatible with quite a few different iPads. So you can see over here we've got the Baseus logo over here, and actually it's not just a logo, it's a cover tab for the USB type C charging connector. We have the power on and power off button, and also the quick button as well. You see if we press it on, it powers on already, so I've already turned it on. You press and hold for 3 seconds to power it on, and you've got these LED indicators. When you press it on as well, it also does wake up your iPad just like that. We've got our tips at the end over here. We've got a flat base over here, which is going to be where your magnetic part is, so you can magnetically attach it to your iPad. So if you bring the iPad over here, you can see here it will just attach magnetically to the iPad so it doesn't get lost, and it's quite a strong magnet as well, which is great to know. Build quality of the pen is really nice. It is a really nice smooth, it's definitely got an Apple-like feel to it. It does feel a lot like an Apple Pencil, and it feels really sturdy and strong as well. So let's go ahead and let's look at the Baseus app that you can download for the iPad and see what kind of settings and things that we can adjust and do. So here is the app. You can add your pencil over here. So you can see here it's the Baseus PS052, which is our pencil over there. If you go ahead and touch on that, we can see all the different settings that we can do. So you can adjust the pen tip sensitivity, and you can have 4 different custom settings that you can ready-made and set up. So you can adjust the sensitivity and just test it out over here. The pen is working really smooth, and it works really nice. So you can play around with what sensitivity that you like. I prefer it to be at 10, to be honest with you, which feels really good. If we go back, another thing, you've got a single tap button configuration. So the button that we use over here, which is just this one there, you can sort the settings on what you'd like that to do. So you've got various different features over here that you can do many different things with the button, which is great to know as well. So in order to be able to do all this, you will need to download the Baseus app, and that's all just to configure the pen. And with more settings as well, you can see the model name, model number, and you can see what version you are, and if you have any software updates, you can do it all through the app. Another great feature is that yes, you can press the button to wake the iPad, but it also tells you the percentage your pencil has on battery. So right now it is 96% battery level, which is great to know as well. So using the Apple Freeform app, which is obviously the app that comes with the iPads, you can adjust the pencil tips, and it just works really smooth and really well. And then you can press the button to undo what you just drew, like so. Easy as. And of course with the app as well, you can also do type draw to type. So if you write something like this, it turns into text. So that is of course just the Apple apps, but the pencil and the will work with any other apps that you can download on the iPad, and it works really well. It's really smooth, and it just gets the job done. You know, it's exactly what it's meant to do straight out the box. So build quality wise, price wise, comparing it to an Apple Pencil, I think it is really good, especially that it's got magnetic features as well. It's great that it comes with it, and it's like the fraction of the price of an Apple Pencil. So for that, I'm going to have to give it an overall score of 9 out of 10. If you are interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.